Welcome to today's video on Build Your Own Shop on a Budget. Have you always wanted a workshop to call your own, but felt discouraged by the cost? Well, you're in luck. In this ultra-detailed step-by-step video, I'll show you how to build your own shop for under $1,000 and with very little space. Step 1. Planning. Before you start building, you need to plan out the size and dimensions of your shop. Consider all the functions it will serve, estimate how much space you'll need, and then add 20%. This will ensure that your shop lasts for 20 years or more, with enough space for all your tools and projects. Step 2. Design. Next, you need to design your shop. Consider using a metal prefab kit, which will cost between $30 to $50 per square foot. This will provide you with a durable, low-cost option, while still allowing you to finish the interior to your liking. Step 3. Ordering. Once you have your design in place, it's time to order the materials and tools you'll need. Look for budget-friendly options, such as second-hand tools or discount retailers, to keep your costs low. Step 4. Pre-construction. Before you start building, make sure you're aware of the building codes and the building permit process. This will ensure that your shop is built safely, on time, and within budget. Step 5. Construction. Now it's time to build. Follow your design and use all the tools and materials you've gathered to create your dream shop. Don't forget to add finishing touches, such as lighting, shelves, and even a coat of paint to make it feel like your own. Step 6. Finishing. Finally, it's time to enjoy your new shop. Use it to create all the DIY projects you've been dreaming of, and take pride in knowing that you built it on a budget. Conclusion. Building your own shop on a budget is possible, and with the right tools, materials, and planning, you can create a space that you'll enjoy for years to come. Don't let the cost discourage you. Take control of your money, and start building today. Did you find this video helpful? If so, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for more great tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel.